To change the currency in the Pocketguard app, it is essential to note that the app does not currently allow users to make this change directly. The currency is determined by the country of the linked bank account or the reason selected during the setup process. However, there are methods to switch currencies. One option is to contact Pocketguard's support team by opening the app, navigating to the settings, scrolling down to the help and support section, and submitting a request to change the account's currency. It is necessary to explain the situation, and the support team may provide further guidance. Alternatively, creating a new Pocketguard account is another option. If the support team cannot assist or if currency changes are not currently supported, users can unlink their existing accounts, delete their current account, if desired, and then create a new account using the desired currency by linking a bank account based in that currency. These two methods are available for users to change their currency in Pocketguard.